Hey, what's poppin' by people? This is Elijah's Magical Playhouse, and today I gotta do the Mr. Potato and Replica, the custom mode. So first off, you're gonna need the bendy arms, the pegs. There are plugs in there. First off, I have to build this hole. We're gonna cover that up. You need the eye bones. You're gonna need the blind squirrel props eyes. You can buy it from East Day. I know it's a lot of dollars, but it's pretty good. And you're gonna need that Toy Story 4 Mr. Potato hat. It has a peg in it. It can fit right in it. You can eat the shoes. Like I said, you gotta eat the elk leg clay. The dry. So we covered that up and put pegs on it, and then I painted. We got drill this hole up. I know it's not a good idea. It's pretty good. It's some luck details. See. You're gonna need those ears. You can use the nose and the mustache. And you're gonna need the Toy Story 4 mouth. Like I said, I got the open mouth and the closed mouth. So, we'll see you at part 2. Click and subscribe and get the go to play button.